Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how to make picture shadow in Microsoft Word or picture reflection. So without further ado, let's go quick into it. So we just need to open Microsoft Word first. Go ahead in the Windows search bar and simply type Word. Click on it under the best match to open the Microsoft Word app. Click on that black document. Now here you will find this ribbon at the top with all these tabs. Now what we can do is we just need to simply click on the insert tab to insert a picture first. Then click on pictures, click on this device, and I'm just going to click this and then click on insert. You can also choose your destination as to where you have saved your picture. Now once your picture or photo has been inserted, now let's go on how we can make a picture shadow or reflection of it. Now you have to select the picture first. Okay, so you have to select the picture. And once you select the picture, all of these arrows on each side will appear. I mean like all of these circles. Well, it is an arrow. And here you will find picture format. And if you're not going to choose the picture like that, if this not will appear, this one, this small circles, the picture format option or tab at the top will not appear. So you need to make sure that you select the picture by just clicking on it. And the picture format will appear. And here you will find picture border, picture effects, picture layout. Now we have to choose picture effects. Apply a visual effects to the picture such as a shadow, glow, reflection, or 3D rotation. Now click on this drop down arrow and here we need to choose shadow since we are going to make a picture shadow. And here you will have all these options. And you just need to simply choose any of this as to what kind of shadow would you like. It could be outer, inner, or for the perspective part. Now let's go with outer and let's choose this one. And as you can see the shadow on the side. You can also choose another type of shadow. Like that. You also have here the shadow options. Click on shadow options. And here you have the color for the shadow. You can change the color from here. And then for the transparency, you can increase that or decrease that depending on your requirement. And now let's look at. So as you can see, this will look like that if you increase the numbers from here for the shadow options, such as for the transparency, size, blur, angle, and distance. But you can also keep this like that. It's up to you. It's up to your requirement. And that's it. That's how you can easily create or make a picture shadow in your Microsoft Word. So, I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.